Welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Today we will practice yoga for strengthening our wrists and hands. Thank you so much Srimatha from All on a Dollar for requesting this video. Weaknesses of hands and wrists are due to if the hands are not used for a variety of motion. So a dynamic range of motion is needed. Let's start our practice. Sit in a comfortable pose in your mat. You may place cushion for your comfort. Inhale and exhale. Let your shoulders relax. Inhale, raise your hands. Open and close your fists and rotate your wrists clockwise and counterclockwise. Exhale to release your hands. Forward your hands. Interlace your hands and find some gentle motion in your wrists, left and right, up and down. Release and shake your hands. Now forward your hands. Fingers are spread and stretched. Raise your wrists up and down. Breathing is normal. Close your fists and rotate. Lower down your hands and release. Right and forward. Place left thumb at the edge of the right palm. Left fingers presses the back of the palm. Press by the left thumb and try to pull the wrist gently. Forearms are stretched. Breathe deeply. Shake your hands and release. Change the hand and repeat. Forearms are stretched. Breathe deeply. Shake your hands and release. Right hand forward, palm faces up, straight and stretched. Inhale, use another hand to pull your little finger out and exhale and pull it towards your body. Now inhale and left hand lies below. Pull your thumb out and pull it towards your body. Breathe deeply. Shake the wrist to release. change your hands to do the same. Shake your hands and release. Your fingers are placed over the shoulders. Inhale, raise your elbows up and touches each other. Down and exhale. Inhale, up and exhale, lower down. Opposite direction. Exhale to release your hands. Be on a tabletop, hands directly under shoulders and knees under your hips. Place your fingers facing towards your knees. If you feel uncomfortable, then face them towards your sides. Knuckles are grounded firm. Your fingers are spread wide. Gently pull yourself back while your hands hold firm and are stretched. Breathing is normal. Stay here for 3 to 4 breaths. Slowly rise up and roll your wrists and release. Rest on opposite side of your palm. You may place them facing each other if needed. Your fingers are spread wide. Gently pull yourself back while your hands hold firm and are stretched. Breathing is normal. Slowly rise up and roll your wrists and release. Stand straight, legs are hip distance. Let's rotate our hands. Inhale, up and exhale, down. Next hand, inhale, up and exhale, down. Do this couple of more times. Inhale, up and exhale down. Now both hands, inhale up and exhale down. Spread up, try to form a big circle. Opposite direction. Exhale to release your hands. Let's be in downward dog. And then on a high plank. Exhale to down dog. And inhale to high plank. Stay here for 3 to 4 breaths and exhale. To be on an upward plank, sit straight with legs at the front, hands on back at a distance, palms facing to the body, making a good grip. Inhale, gently raise your hips up, head drops back. Come to front. Exhale to slowly lower down, up and down. Be gentle. Inhale, raise up to hold for 5 breaths. Exhale, gently lower down to release. This is tough, and if you are unable, then be on a reverse tabletop. Inhale, raise your hips up and exhale to gently lower down. Inhale to gently raise up and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. And exhale to gently lower down to release. Finally, sit comfortably. Inhale, raise your both hands to the sky. Reach the fingers and exhale to slowly bring your hands to the heart center, forming Namaste. And release. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. How are your hands and wrists feeling now? Please comment below. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.